Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.